Atiku sabi run once he lose election. Bode George. Welcome, country people, to Synod Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, make you do so now. Put on your notification bell so e go ring once we drop updates. Also, like, comment, and share our videos. Chief Bode George na one stalwart of the People's Democratic Party, PDP, and also as an ex-military officer, the man know how to talk and he not care whether wetin he talk hit you for the right place or the wrong place. Sometimes it dey be like a lone voice for the wilderness. This time around, he dey extray the political style of the former vice president of Nigeria, Alhaji Atiku Abubakar. He dey do this interview so with News Central Television. Na there he come dey share the details of the events, when he follow one previous election, when Atiku dey involved. And in that process, so e dey emphasize concerns about political leadership and responsibility. According to this party veteran, he say former Vice President Atiku Abubakar, he can't leave the country after he suffer electoral defeat. He say, wetin happen to my friend Atiku after that election? Apparently, e dey refer to the election when Atiku contest with Muhammadu Buhari. He say he run go Dubai. And so Chief George talk during the discussion for television. He can say it can't happen. Say when former President Olusegun Obasanjo, visit am, he can dey ask wetin be the PDP situation. According to Bode George, one day Baba Obasanjo came to my house and said, Bode, what is going on in your party? I said, sir, our leader is in Dubai. According to the PDP shifting, Obasanjo can't take direct action to address the situation. He say Obasanjo come talk say he go Dubai, go bring am back. He say Obasanjo come go Dubai, go tell am to come back. Na there Atiku come express concern about his safety. He say in dey fear General Buhari when he eventually come back. Chief George come talk say political leadership, e require responsibility and accountability. You no go fit run away from your responsibility because you be political leader. He say a political leader dey exposed to the dictates, all the positivities and also the negativities of the land. The veteran politician come offer a own definition of democratic governance. He say wetin be democracy? He say na the management of the resources of that land for the benefit of the people. He say na that one be democracy. He can say any political leader, anybody when e dey involved for political movement, but e no go fit stay and work for the people, then wetin the person dey do for politics? This statement show when Chief Bode George, they talk for in discussion with the News Central TV. So It dey highlight the nature of Nigerian politicians. Make we say some of them. Because when election time come, like people don allege say the former vice president Atiku Abubakar dey sabi do well well, e go come out, e go contest. E no matter the platform when e take contest, but e go come out, e go contest. But once that election don dey over and e lose, as e come dey be for the past elections, e say you no go hear anything about am again. The next thing, e go japa out of the country, go Dubai or some other places to rest until another season of elections come. All these things don dey draw commentary from Nigerians and political watchers. Some dey say that na politics of opportunism. They dey wait when the political season go favor them so that they go take care of their interest, then leave the country as e be. But others dey say no, a good leader no dey fear for im life. If you dey fear, like the report say Atiku talk of Buhari, then you no fit to be leader. A leader must be fearless. And so that one na statement of person when he no really know wetin he want for politics. Some others come dey say, you no see Peter Obi, that even when he lose that 2023 election, the man dey go about, still dey oppose the ruling party. The man dey go about. They still dey make subtle campaigns. E dey relevant over all the place. You see, but compared to Atiku, not only the collaboration, coalition talk, na dey hear concerning Atiku. How people go come together to take power? How people go come together to remove, the president by the next election? That other than the coalition to remove the president by the next election, you no dey hear any other story about Atiku and Nigerian politics. Well, that na their opinion as political watchers. But wetin you think, country people? How you read wetin Bode George dey talk for television station so? Na a true assessment of how im see the former vice president, abi no be correct assessment? Make we know for the comment section your view on this matter.